Hello, we are going to determine if these two line segments are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So let's look at line segment AB. It says it is formed by these two coordinates, -2, 3 and 2, 6. So we are going to find the slope between those 2 points. So we're going to do that by using the slope formula. So the 3 minus the 6, those are the y coordinates. So we're going to put those in the top. We're going to say 3 minus 6. And then we are going to look at the x coordinates, -2 minus the 2. Again, those are the x coordinates. They go in the denominator. So it's divided by -2 minus 2. Well, let's work that out. 3 minus 6 is -3. And -2 minus a 2 is -4. And if we reduce that, we cancel out the negatives, our slope for the first line segment is 3/4. So let's now look at the second line segment, CD. It has the points -1, 0, and 3, 3. And again, we are going to use the slope formula to figure out what the slope is between these two lines. So those are my y values. The y values go on the top. I'm going to say 0 minus the 3, and then I'm also going to look at the x values, -1 minus the 3, because those are the x values. They go in the denominator of the slope formula. So we've got -1 minus the 3. Now we'll use order of operations to continue working it out. 0 minus 3 is a -3. -1 minus 3, that is a -4. And again, we reduce that by canceling the negatives. And so my slope for the second set of points is 3/4. So now we ask ourselves, are they the same slope? Well, 3/4 is the same as 3/4. So that means that they are parallel. These two line segments have the same slope, and that makes them parallel. So hopefully that helps you work through the process of considering two line segments formed by different points, and you can tell whether they are parallel or perpendicular or neither. We didn't have to ask any more questions because they were the same slope, That makes them parallel. Okay, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, come back real soon.